Hi guys! So we are here right now at Leora Homes na Cavite, no? And currently guys, andito tayo sa amenities area. So this is guys the clubhouse, no? So hindi mo mai-imagine na ang binibenta natin mga properties dito is around 2.5 lang. Kasi sobrang ganda ng amenities nila. As you can see guys, that's the swimming pool. And this is the clubhouse. And meron tayo doong basketball court, covered court, no? Wow! And those are the units available. Nakita nyo ba? Ayan. Okay. And then, view nyo guys yung mountains doon. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang tahimik din. Sobrang lawak. So, check natin sa loob. Let's go. Kaya ba? Check lang natin kung pwede tayong pumasok. And it's closed. Try natin buksan if pwede. So malamang sarado siya. So ikot lang tayo guys. Baka pwede. Ayan. So yun yung ano, play area. No? Imagine maglalaro yung mga anak nyo dyan. And the units here are we are selling it at 2.5. 2.5 lang yung units dito. Okay, nice. Check lang natin kung kaya tayo makapasok sa may swimming pool o kailangan natin ng access. Ito yung nice. So ito yung mga toilet and bath for shower area. Okay, and here we wala na pala guys. Yun. So yun. So if you are interested and you wanted to check the unit, you know, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp or Telegram. Nice. Yun, lalaro dyan,